I got them the FS Simple Boba tea drinks, and we're gonna try them together. The first one we are going to try is the awesome Assam tea with crystal boba. It's cold brewed black tea, 0% fat, non-dairy, vegan, and gluten-free. So we're gonna try it. Oh, gotta grab the straws, hold on. Okay, we got our straw. That's good. Sorry, I'm chewing the boba. I'm not like a black tea girl, but this is actually has a little sweetness to it, so I don't mind it. Okay, next up is the one I'm most excited about. I love mango. This is Marvelous Mango with Crystal Boba. Again, 0% fat, non-dairy, vegan, and gluten-free. So let's open her up. Just gonna use the same straw. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is 10 out of 10. This might even be like 20 out of 10. It is so good. There's no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial sweeteners, artificial preservatives, or artificial colors. I'm about it. You guys, let me know if you guys would try this. I got it off TikTok Shop. It's available in California, but I'm not in California. So since I'm not in California, I'm able to go online and fill out a survey to say get in my state because I need more of this in my life. It is so good. Cheers.